Welcome back everybody to the daily show where we discuss and do technical analysis on big mega cap stocks. So before we get started, please smash that like button, and 100 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now if you want to support the channel and get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, live trading, and all kinds of setups, definitely check out their link down below in the description for Patreon. And now let's get right into it, guys. On Apple stock, it's up over 4%, and what we got, a big, gigantic, bullish engulfing candle with some high volume on it today. Now, Apple, people that are subscribed to my channel, you know that I've been calling this for a long time. Every time this thing actually coming down here, and I said Apple gave away lots of the gains from almost 200 down to now 170 to 167. Even last night, I said the same thing, that Apple definitely, if you're holding like myself, you're going to get paid. And all my shares, even calls that I got, longer expiration, everything is in the green today, and Apple can actually take off from here. But we need more confirmation. And why? Because last time we got this massive run and then it was a fake out, right? So we need more confirmation. We need a bull trend on Apple stock, and it's going to take some time. Just because we got this big bullish engulfing candle, it does not guarantee that Apple will just rally from here. But it's definitely going to a right direction, and we could see that in next few days. So here on Apple, now you can see, 173 in one day from 168, this thing is up to 175. So going into tomorrow's session, and this is not like gapping over resistance and just flying. No, on normal healthy trading hour, this thing broke out, and now it's trading above 173 right here. So going into tomorrow's session, watch out, Apple on a pullback, 173 needs to hold. If not, we do have support down here, 171.55, 20-day moving average, and then 170. As long as I would say Apple can stay above 173, immediately you're going to see more upside all the way up to 50-day moving average, which is negative sloping right here, 177. And Apple maybe next week can clear and hold 177. This thing can run even higher up to 180, 183, and then this gap 186.79. So definitely, guys, keep an eye on this. Apple definitely on the move, and this thing can move even higher. On AMD, it's up 2%. So AMD, we actually played this morning. AMD got into some calls just below 167, pretty much at the low of the day. And then immediately, just after a few minutes, AMD got up to 169 plus, took profit, and now AMD trading at 170.50. So all these trade ideas, and especially if you guys are serious about trading and want to learn, then definitely, guys, check out their link down below in the description for Patreon. Now, as far as AMD, we do have this bear flag pattern right here that is forming. We got all these candles, and you can see right here, low here on AMD needs to be taken out, and that is 164. And if that is out, this bear flag will play out, and AMD can dump all the way down to this gap, 148.75. Now AMD holding at 170, 5-day moving average. As long as 170 can hold tomorrow, you're going to see a move all the way up to right here, 13-day moving average, which is sitting at around 175, and above that, more upside all the way up to right here, 181, and then 184. Below 170, watch out for the strong support down here, 164, and then this gap, 148.75. On Google, stock is up almost 2%, so Google hitting my price target 160 and then even 161 from my video last night, and now trading above 160, and that opens the door for a move all the way up to 166, which is gonna be even more overbought at that point. But who cares? Google here, look at this run, guys. And when I called it right here, and people that are subscribed to my channel, you guys already know that when Google was coming down and I was saying Google is a fantastic buying opportunity, and guess what? Few people actually made money and bought Google calls, but some people they never get it. They think everything is a day trade. Buy it and next day it'll go up and I'm going to sell it. You're buying on a downtrend, right? You need to hold on. You need to have some patience. And then, once we get to this, uptrend and it goes right back up, you're going to make money. So it's all about holding and having some patience. But some people, I guess, they got no patience. They buy something and they expect things to go up next day. And I don't know, guys. I mean, maybe become a millionaire next day. That's just not how simple things are in the stock market. You cannot do that. So Google here, fantastic opportunity, now gone. And now you can see Apple stock going back up to the upside. And soon you're going to see big, massive, gigantic Tesla rally also. Now Google here, it's not nowhere near buy zone anymore. I did give you guys all the levels, even when this thing was coming back here, that 160 will come. So anybody took that idea and it was just holding calls or even shares and just respecting stop loss, guess what? You made a ton of money just holding few days right here, even on a breakout. And now, yes, there might be more upside, but do not chase Google stock anymore. This is it. This thing now trading over 160, that's gonna be a support to watch. And next upside target 166. Below 160, now there will be support at 157.33, 155, and that is a long way down here. And below 155, watch out for 152 rising 20-day moving average, and we have full bull trend on Google stock. So do not go and chase this stock right here just because we got a bull trend. It's also getting a bit overbought and hitting all the price targets. That means one thing, yes, any moment we could see a decent pullback on Google stock. And for that, I mean, I would not go and chase this thing. And also, shorting is kind of hard right here when you got this strong of a bull trend on a stock like Google. On Amazon stock, it's up 1.69%. So Amazon also going up today and pretty much hitting the target that I gave you guys last night, almost up to 190. And now trading at 189. So here on Amazon, there is no play here on Amazon. And I would not be chasing Amazon anymore. This thing, if it gets up to 190 and breaks out, then there might be more upside. But like I said, it's getting really overbought. And now a rejection from 190 can take Amazon down here, down to 187.55, 185, and possibly even lower. And to the upside, I mean, yes, things can go higher, but like I said, it's getting really overbought, and passing and holding above 190 maybe can squeeze up to 195. That's gonna be even more overbought at that point. So no point of chasing Amazon at this level. Wait for a decent pullback here on the stock and watch the support right here, 187.55, 185, and then 182.56 down to even 180. And a breakout above 190, watch out for a move up to 195. On Microsoft, it's up over 1%, so this one also pushing through again today. And look at the support holding again, guys. 422 hitting 20-day moving average at 423, getting slightly under, and the dip buyers just ready right there to buy that dip and pushing the price higher back up to almost 430. So here on Microsoft, also playing out exactly like I said last night. Support was holding, and now this thing got up to 429.37 and pretty much trading near 430. Now 430 breaks on Microsoft, then you're going to see more upside up to 435 and possibly even higher. But this Bollinger Band on top has to expand for that kind of move to play out to the upside. Now on any pullback, there will be strong support at 423, 420, and below 420. Watch out for a dump off down here to 415. On Nvidia stock, it's up over 4%, and talking about manipulation here in this market, it's actually at its best right now. And how? Because yesterday we got bad CPI numbers, market actually pulling back, but nothing significant. And just when you think market will come down a little bit more, maybe you're going to get a better buying opportunity, guess what? It's not even down anymore, and it's trading at all-time highs again. And talking about manipulation, this stock, I mean, yesterday and day before, it was trading below 840. And within 24 hours, from 8:37 yesterday, now trading at 9:07. Now, there is no big catalyst, nothing going on, no earnings. This thing is up. And that is why it's really hard to bring this market down when this thing is pumping. Even on a red day where CPI numbers are high, this thing is going up. It was up yesterday like 2% and now another 4%. So in just 24 hours, this thing is up over 6%, which is insane. And now it's trading above 900. So that's going to be your line in the sand, 900. And below that, 895, 20-day moving average. And then now Nvidia will have support at 876 and then 840. Now Nvidia can hold, I would say, in between 895 to 900. You're going to see continuation all the way up to 926 and possibly up to even 945 and then 960. On Tesla stock, it's up 1.65%. So Tesla also going up today, but nothing big, getting down to 168.51. And it was barely holding these moving averages right here and now trading at 174.60. So Tesla needs that breakout over 180. And if that happens, you're going to see a move up to this gap, 186.72, and then we can talk about more upside on Tesla. Until then, watch out right here as a support, 172, 20-day moving average, and below that you're going to see Tesla coming down to 165, 162.50, lower Bollinger Band, and then 160. On Meta, it's up 0.64%, so Meta again holding 520, getting under 520 down to 517, and I was actually trading here for maybe 2-3 hours around 517, 518, and then that rally started, and this thing now trading above 520. So here on Meta, 520, you're line in the sand for tomorrow right here as a support, and below that you're going to see a move all the way down to 515, this high right here, and then 504 all the way down here, 20-day moving average 500, and then 497.53, this gap down here. But as long as Meta can stay above 520, watch out for a move back up to right here 530 and then 538. So Netflix also going up 1.65% and getting down to right here, guys, just under 20-day moving average, which is sitting at now close to 621, getting down to 617, and immediately dip buyers buying up the dip and pushing the price higher. And just like I said last night, as long as the support can hold right here, this thing can come right back up and hit 630, and this is exactly what we got today. And getting a rejection at 630, getting up to 631.66, and now from that rejection trading at 628.78. We also have earnings coming up very soon on Netflix. So going into tomorrow's session, strong support will be down here 621 and then 604. To the upside, 630 breaks, you're going to see a move all the way up to 637 to 638 right here to this upper Bollinger Band, and then even 650. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching.